Fiverr Level 1 status gives you more visibility, more active gigs, and stronger buyer trust, and many sellers hit it faster than they expect if they focus on the right metrics. That badge changes how buyers see you. It can increase clicks before they even read your gig. By the end of this, you'll know what Fiverr looks at for Level 1 and how to reach it faster. First, understand what Fiverr cares about. Level 1 isn't random. Fiverr tracks performance. That means completed orders, response rate, delivery quality, and client satisfaction. If those numbers stay strong, your account becomes eligible during Fiverr's evaluation cycle. That's the key. It's not something you apply for. Fiverr reviews your account automatically. So step 1 is getting consistent orders. That sounds obvious. But small orders count. A $10 order and a $200 order both help build history. In the beginning, volume matters more than price. That's why many new sellers start lower. A $15 gig can build reviews faster than waiting weeks for one $100 client. Next, protect your response rate. Reply fast. Fiverr tracks how quickly you answer messages. Fast replies signal reliability. If a buyer messages you at 9 a.m. and you reply the next day, that hurts. Replying within 1 hour is much stronger. Then there's on-time delivery. Late deliveries hurt hard. If your gig says 3 days, deliver in 2 if possible. That creates margin for revisions. Missed deadlines lower trust. And trust affects your seller level. Reviews matter too. Bad reviews slow everything down. So set clear expectations before starting. If a buyer wants 5 revisions but your package includes 2, explain it before accepting. Clear boundaries protect ratings. Here's a shortcut. Use custom offers. If someone messages without ordering, send a clear offer fast. That can increase conversion and help stack completed jobs faster. And avoid cancellations. One cancellation can hurt your account more than one small order helps it. Only accept work you can finish. Quick recap: get consistent orders, respond fast, deliver early, and protect your reviews. That's how Fiverr decides who moves to Level 1. Your next step is simple. Check your dashboard right now and look at your response rate, delivery rate, and completion rate. Those 3 numbers tell you exactly how close you are. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Fiverr growth strategies.